America is the richest country in the world. It has more billionaires than anywhere else, the world's biggest companies, the most powerful economy. And yet, millions of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Credit card debt is at record highs. Savings are disappearing. And many people work harder than ever, yet never seem to get ahead. So why? Why do most Americans stay poor? Is it because they don't work hard enough? Or is there something much bigger happening? Today we're uncovering the uncomfortable truth behind money, wealth, and why most people never escape the financial trap. This is the big why. Nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Many people earn decent salaries, yet they constantly struggle financially. Because income alone doesn't create wealth. Spending habits do. People increase their lifestyle every time they get a raise. Bigger houses, new cars, expensive vacations. Instead of buying assets, they buy liabilities. And the cycle never ends. For years, students have learned algebra, history, and science. But almost nobody teaches taxes, investing, compound interest, debt management, or how money actually works. People graduate knowing how to solve equations, but not how to build wealth. And that's why millions enter adulthood financially unprepared. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, mortgages, buy now, pay later. Modern society runs on debt. Companies encourage people to consume. Banks profit from interest. Advertisements create endless desires. People borrow money to buy things they don't need and then spend decades paying for them. Debt steals future income and keeps people trapped. Inflation quietly destroys purchasing power. A dollar today buys less every year. Meanwhile, savings accounts often earn less than inflation, which means cash sitting in the bank actually loses value. Rich people understand this. They invest. Businesses, real estate, stocks, assets that grow faster than inflation. The poor save money. The wealthy own assets. Social media changed everything. People compare themselves constantly. Luxury cars, designer clothes, perfect vacations. Everyone wants to look rich. Very few want to become rich. Because looking wealthy is easy. Building wealth requires patience. And patience doesn't go viral. Warren Buffett became a billionaire largely because of time, not because he made quick money. Compounding rewards patience. Investments grow, then those gains grow again. Over decades, small amounts become enormous fortunes. But most people want results immediately, and that's why they miss the greatest wealth-building force ever discovered. The rich focus on ownership, stocks, businesses, real estate, cash-producing assets. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. That's the difference. Income creates comfort. Ownership creates freedom. Most Americans stay poor not because they're lazy, not because they lack intelligence, but because they're trapped inside a system built around consumption. And because nobody teaches them the rules of money. The good news? Wealth isn't reserved for billionaires. Understanding money changes everything. Because financial freedom isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you keep and what you own. This is the big why. The stories behind everything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more stories behind wealth, business, billionaires, and the world's biggest ideas. Until next time, keep asking the big questions.